In this quick WhatsApp tutorial video, you'll learn two simple ways of backing up your WhatsApp chats so you never lose those important conversations and memories. This can be useful if you're switching to a brand new phone or you just want to keep your messages safe if anything happens to your phone. The first and most basic way of backing up these messages is from the WhatsApp application itself, and the process is the same for both iPhone and Android devices. I have WhatsApp opened, and our job from here is to go over to our settings page by tapping here. After that, I'm going to tap on Chats. Here is our option, which we are looking for, and that's this Chat Backup. WhatsApp has its own option to automatically back up your chats, and you can set this to backup daily, weekly, or monthly. Or you can go back and manually back up the chats when you tap on Backup Now button. Now, when you back up your chats using this method, they're stored in the cloud, Google Drive for Android users, and iCloud for iPhone users. This means your messages are saved securely online and can be restored whenever you need them. The more conversations you have on WhatsApp, the more time it will take to back up all of those chats to the cloud. The second way of backing up our messages is by going back to the main page, and then let's click on this Export Chat option. What this will do is it will open all of the conversations which we have on WhatsApp, and let's say I want to back up this conversation at the very top because I chat with this person the most. When I tap on that chat, WhatsApp is going to give me an option to export this chat with or without the media. If you choose without media, it will only export the text messages as a text file, which is a smaller file size and faster to export. But if you choose attach media, it will include all the photos, videos, and voice messages from that conversation as well. Keep in mind that attaching media will create a much larger file and might take longer to export depending on how much content you have in that chat. After you make your selection, WhatsApp will prepare the chat for export and then give you different options of where you want to save or send this backup. You can email it to yourself, save it to Google Drive, save it directly to your phone's files, or share it through any other app you have installed. This method is really useful when you just want to back up one specific important conversation instead of backing up your entire WhatsApp history. So those are the two simple ways you can back up your WhatsApp messages and make sure you never lose those important conversations. The first method backs up everything automatically to the cloud, while the second method lets you export specific chats and save them wherever you want. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure you hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.